Okay, a little bit of chipotle powder and cayenne pepper. And you can taste the heat, but you can also taste the sweet. And that's a really good combination. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I have 8 beautiful beef ribs. I made a spice rub. I'm trying to get this to be sweet and spicy. So I have brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle powder, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and paprika. Now, these are all tablespoon increments, okay? I'm gonna make this a spice rub. Let me show you how I'm gonna put this together. So right here, I have a bowl and a big Ziploc bag. I'm gonna add all my spices in there. I'm trying to minimize mess. And here's my brown sugar. So now I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna really shake it up. Make sure everything's all mixed together. And I'm going to basically, I'm gonna add all my beef ribs in here and shake it up, and then I'll go to the next part. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my ribs and really get them coated. Very nice. So this is a 9 by 13 glass dish. I added a long piece of aluminum foil. I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray, and you could see how coated really nicely my ribs came out. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm just gonna lock them up in here. They're gonna cook in their own juices. Look at this. My oven is preheated 250 degrees. We're gonna cook these low and slow. They're gonna cook for 4 hours. I'm going to raise the heat the last 15 minutes so that we can caramelize them with some barbecue sauce. Hopefully these are gonna be nice and sweet and spicy. That's what I'm going for. So let's put these in the oven. So it's been 3 hours and 45 minutes. And these have been in the oven. They're beautiful. Okay, they're very tender. Look at that, beautiful. But I want some crispiness. I've had them at 250 degrees for 3 hours and 45 minutes. So now I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. Now I added some cayenne pepper. I want some spicy, but I want some sweet as well. My rub did have some brown sugar. I can add some more barbecue sauce later. I'm just gonna add this. Now I just raised my oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so it's preheating. It's going up to 400 degrees from the original time of 250. Okay, so I cooked these low and slow, 3 hours and 45 minutes. So now when my oven goes to temperature, 400 degrees, I'm gonna put these back in. Uncovered, just like this. And I'm gonna let them just bake for another 15 minutes. Okay, they just came out of the oven. Slight crispiness. Look at that, little bit of a char, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna put some on a plate and I'm gonna give you my real opinion. I want sweet and spicy. I've made this like 4 times trying to get the right amount of heat. And I'm gonna give you my real opinion. Okay, you guys, right here, all right? Right here. Trying to get the right angle. But I'm gonna taste this because I want sweet and spicy. I did add some extra barbecue sauce along with my rub. The rub is gonna be good either way. I've tried this 4 times. It's always good, but I wanna taste sweet and spicy. Now I did put some cayenne pepper, so we'll see. Yeah. Okay, I can taste the heat. I guess I put enough cayenne pepper. I could definitely taste the heat and the sweetness. This is a really good sweet and spicy barbecue rub. Boy, I'm feeling it in my nose. It's the cayenne pepper. Sweet and spicy. That's what I was going for. I tried 4 times. Okay. So this is sweet and spicy barbecue beef ribs, and it's the right amount of heat. You can taste the heat. That's what I was going for. I tried 4 times. I said, I gotta get it right this time. Okay. Little bit of chipotle powder and cayenne pepper. And you can taste the heat, but you can also taste the sweet. And that's a really good combination. Oh yeah, these are really good. Okay. I'm so happy. Okay. Sweet and spicy barbecue beef ribs, low and slow cooked in the oven. 4 hours. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you thought I really worked hard for you, and I will see you next time.